Hello everyone, welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is the question number 5 in the continuation of DP-600 Fabric Examination series. Here we are going to discuss about 100% verified question. There are highest probability that you will encounter the same question in your examination. Coming up to question number 5. You have a fabric tenant that contains a workspace named as Workspace 1. Workspace 1 contains a lake house named as Lake House 1 and a warehouse named as Warehouse 1. You need to create a new table in Warehouse 1 named as POS Customers by querying the customer table in a Lakehouse 1. How should you complete the T-SQL statement? So this is the option that we have. We have to complete this T-SQL statement. We have to create a table named as POS Customers. So by using a select statement, okay, so what will the option from this? Just try to think. And these are the column names, and from where we have to take the table from Lakehouse 1. Any suggestions? Just think about that. We have to create a table name as POS Customers using select statement, and we have to take data from Lakehouse 1. Absolutely, you are correct. The answer will be create table dbo.POS Customers as select statement, column name from Lakehouse 1. Correct, you got the correct answer. Hope so you like this video. If you want some more question, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.